I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. Hey guys, it's yours truly, Veejai Ramkissoon, the King of Hearts, introducing you to a vacation like no other. If you missed out last year, well, this is your opportunity right now to weigh in on the #1 duck curry duck contest to face the globe in 2024. Brought to you by Emerald Travels and TravelSpan Limited. What am I speaking about? Well, it's an all-inclusive vacation to Jamaica with your music, your culture, and your entertainment. What are you gonna get? You're gonna get a choice of 6 restaurants, 11 bars, 3 pools, beach days, day tours, plus much more. We've got our meet and greet night where you meet from across the globe, such as countries like the USA, Canada, Trinidad and Tobago, and Guyana. Then it's on to the main day, the curry duck versus duck curry. Who is going to reign supreme? Well, the chefs, they're going to square off and see who takes that title this year for the main event. Who is it going to be? It could be you. You need to register, you need to buy your tickets, book your seats early to get in on that. And if that's not enough, that very night we're going to have a private entertainment night with the showstopper himself, Raymond Ramnarine. Yours truly, the King of Hearts, Veejai Ramkissoon, the Extraordinaires Tassa group, and many other artists will be joining in to party with you all night long. If that's not enough, well, on the Sunday we will be having a beach day with harmonium, dholak, dantal, chatak matak style, just the way you like it. It's 6 days in Jamaica, your music, your culture, your entertainment for $12,995 TT dollars. Call Emerald right now for your Jamaica all-inclusive at 665-3383. Those numbers again, 665-3383. That's Emerald Travel and TravelSpan Curry Duck Curry Competition 2024. See you there.